Hi everybody, welcome back to Esmeralees Creation. I hope everybody's doing well. Today we have the unboxing of May 2022 Bargain Bead Box. And let's get started. Always having problems with the end. It always comes in the envelope and very well wrapped. This month, the chiffon bag is yellow, so I'm guessing that the collection might have something to do with those colors combination. I will put everything in order and we'll be right back.
So this month's theme is Mayflowers, and the description reads as follows. This month's collection celebrates the beauty of spring. Quartz, citrine, and yellow jade provide a pastel palette, while focal points include 2 pairs of handmade lampwork glass flower buds and the carved golden quartz leaf pendant. Crystal coins and glass accents round out the colorful assortment, finished by a selection of copper finish findings in garden-themed motifs.
And number one is?
Number 1 today is an approximate 14.5-inch strand of 8mm violet quartz round beads.
And they're beautiful. This is a very good amount. These can make a 16-inch necklace, or you can just use it for a bracelet. If you add on a little stuff, you can make an 18-inch necklace. So it is beautiful. And this collection seems to be like flowering, and it is a coincidence that we have some leaf necklace done this month. So we see. And the next one is?
The next one is number 2. Approximately 1 meter of 5 by 12mm steel Lumachina jewelry chain.
Wow. This is the more thicker chains that I have received. And it's beautiful. We did receive this one in another color, like a silver color, and in a smaller link. But it's beautiful. This is very nice. And it is a decent amount like always. And number 3 is?
Number 3, 30 40mm steel eye pins, antique copper finish.
Okay. Last month we received the small ones, and this month we received like 2-inch approximately. They're very nice. And you use it for necklaces, earrings, bracelet. It depends on what you want to do with it. And the next one is?
Number 4, 34 by 9mm carved golden quartz leaf pendant.
So pretty. I love the color. It have a little bit of transparency, but it have like a beige color to it. Super cool. Very nice. And the next one is?
The next one is number 5, an approximate 8-inch strand of 6mm spiral faceted crystal coin beads, light lilac in color.
Wow. It's so beautiful. The shape of the stone, of the beads, is very, very pretty. It looked like a little nickel. It's flat pretty much on both sides. And it's a good amount. It is a very good amount. You can even make like a choker, or maybe if you add like a clasps, you can probably make a choker. It's very nice. Very pretty colors. There's have a little bit of every color this month. And the next one is?
The next one is number 6, an approximate 8-inch strand of 6mm spiral faceted crystal coin beads, lavender in color.
And this bead is the same as this one. It's the same one, but it's in a different color. That's like a 3 or 4 shade darker, but it's very, very pretty. The combination is very nice. And again, the amount is very good. And the next one is?
The next one is number 7. 2 41 by 29mm filigree flower focal links.
Wow, they're beautiful. This makes very, very nice big earrings. Or you can just use it for a link of a necklace or even a bracelet. To use it for a bracelet. It will be so nice and pretty. Very beautiful. And the details are very well made. Very well cut out. It is stunning. And the next one is?
The next one is number 8. 4 sets of 20 by 17mm figural flower toggle clasps.
Look how pretty. Look. The other end of the clasp is a flower. It is so beautiful. Look at that. Oh my God. I'm in love with them. They're beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. Very nice. And the size are like a medium size. And the next one is?
The next one is number 8.
Number 9.
Number 9. 10 15.5 by 10mm leafy branch links.
And they are pretty. These are beautiful. I like them. These you can also use like I did over here. I use it like that, and then you can hang something at the bottom, and it will be like a very nice necklace. Or you can use it as link and then make it like that and make like a very simple necklace. It's very nice. Very nice. Can't wait to use them. And number 10 is?
Number 10. 19 by 31mm 3D leafy branch pendant link.
Wow, look at the details. Everybody look at the details. It is beautiful. The leaves are like a little dark, and at the edges are like lighter color. The details are amazing. It's well cut out. It is beautiful. You can use it like I did on here to hang on the thing. If it would be 2, you could use it as earrings too. But there's only 1. But it's beautiful. And then number 11 is?
Number 11. 2 10.5 by 12mm lamp work glass flower bud beads, lavender in color.
Wow, look at that. They have very nice details, very well made. You can use it facing whatever size you want. It depends on what you made. If you make like earrings, I would put them facing down. If you use them in a necklace, I would put them facing up. But they're very nice, very nice. Number 12 is?
Number 12. 2 10.5 by 12mm lamp work glass flower bud beads, magenta in color.
The color magenta is amazing. And it is so pretty. And once again, we have a repeat. Like we have the same flowers, but different colors. And we had the beads over here, which is the same beads, but different colors. But they're beautiful. Magenta color is amazing. Number 13 is?
Number 13, an approximate 15-inch strand of 4mm cat's eye glass bicone beads, spring green in color.
The green is like a lime green. It's so beautiful. And you guys know that I love Bargain beads. They are beautiful. I love to use it in a lot of our work, and it is so pretty. I love it. Number 14 is
Number 14, 10 15 by 9 millimeter pressed glass leaf beads, citrine.
look at the leaf. People, the coincidences are amazing because we did this one with leaf. We didn't know what it was coming on this one because we didn't open it. We'd open it with you guys. And look how cute it is. And what a coincidence that we did one with leaf and we had leaf again. But they're different in shape. And these are like very, very nice. Very, 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 very pretty. There you can see like the branches on one side and the other side have the branches too. And this one, the branches are on one side and the other side is flat. But this one have like you can use it in both sides. So pretty. Love the color too. It's like an amber color. Number 15 is
Number 15, an approximate 7-inch strand of 10 millimeter pink quartz round beads.
this color is amazing. And these are big. These are like big stone. It's beautiful. You can use it as simple. Sometimes you don't have to complicate your life. You just make a simple bracelet and you put elastic to this and you have a beautiful, nice bracelet. If it's not, you can add some other items or the beads or bead caps and things like that, and you can make a beautiful, beautiful bracelet. And number 16 is?
Number 16, an approximate 15-inch strand of 6 millimeter yellow jade round beads.
Wow. It's a very light yellow. Actually, I will say that it's more like a cream color instead of yellow. But it's beautiful. It is very pretty. It's the first time I have it this color on one of the bead box, and it's stunning. It's beautiful. I love it. And then number 17 is?
Number 17, an approximate 7.5-inch strand citrine chip beads.
Wow, I love chip beads. They're so pretty. They're beautiful. You can use it for bracelet. You can use it for earrings. You can use it for necklaces. These I consider yellow. These are more light, very, very light yellow, but more like cream color. But these are beautiful. Number 18 is?
Number 18, a 10-gram bag of 9 millimeter 3-leaf chevron bead caps.
Wow, these are the biggest bead caps I ever have. This is so pretty. Oh, look at that. Look at that. The leaf. The details. Everybody, the details are amazing. I am so impressed with the details on the metals. They are amazing. I love them. And these bead caps are going very, very nice with this one. These beads are amazing. Look at that. And you see the different, like without it looks so simple, but when you put this one on it, it looks so elegant and different. It changed the design. And the number 19 is?
And number 19, a 10-gram bag of 11 by 13 millimeter wavy leaf spacer beads.
Look at these. These are very nice, very pretty, very well made. The details are amazing. They are in both sides. And the hole to put the string or the elastic. They're so pretty. They're very, very nice. Can't wait to start designing and creating with all of it.
So this is everything from the May 2022 Bargain Bead Box.
Guys, this is the combinations that we love. We love different things, different colors, things that people probably never think that they go together, but we love to put things together like that. Just like the one that you just have on your screen. Thanks for watching.
And don't forget to click that thumbs up. And this week, we want to send a shout out to Clara Hopkins, Chris Dennison, JC Higgins, Natasha Rutledge, Sandra Rodriguez Diaz, Dreamer1212, and Hippie Chicks Mama. Thank you for your support. And stick around because coming up are the May 2022 Bargain Bead Box creations.
It can also be used as a wrap neck bracelet. My hands is too big for it, but like a skinny person that is like a 5 in the wrist or 5.5, maybe a 6. If you wrap it around, it will fit as a bracelet too. I think it's so pretty and different.
Here we have the long necklace layered with 3 different short ones. Thank you all for watching, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye.